Hi everybody, Pat Taylor, Triple T Realty. Today we are at the Webb Sunbridge 55 plus community, and I wanted to share with you my very favorite model here. It's called the Renown. So come on in, let's take a look. It's a 3-bedroom plus office, 3-bath, all kind of ensuite baths. There's so many things that I love about this model. One is the large secondary bedrooms. Plenty of room, lots of light, 10'8" ceilings, absolutely incredible space. Also, having that guest room in the front of the house is very important in our family. If you overstay your 3-day welcome, it's very easy to put your bags right by the door. Here's the office space, that it's perfect if you're still working, even if you're not. Here's a great space for an office. Coming on through is this amazing great room. It has everything you can imagine. Plenty of room for relaxing. Look at this gourmet kitchen. And this is an all-gas community, so you have a natural gas for your cooking, for your stovetop, and also for your range. This property, now remember, as a model, it's really tricked out and has just about everything you can imagine, but it also has a built-in entertainment center. Store your wines, store your bottles, a little bar refrigerator. In addition, you've got a full pantry. Absolutely love this kitchen. Imagine using this countertop to store for your buffets when you're having people over. And perfect covered lanai. Now these accordion sliding doors are an option. If you don't want them, you just get a slider and windows across the back. But this light and bright space, absolutely room for everybody. So let's head on into the master bedroom. So here we are in the master bedroom. Look how incredibly big it is. It's absolutely gorgeous. Big windows across the top, plenty of room for your king-size bed. Let's take a look at the master bath. Passing through the bedroom, look at this incredible master bedroom closet. This house has a super shower. Now remember, it's a model, so there's lots of options that are added that you can choose to have or not. Beautiful big vanity and separate water closet. If you pass through the master bath, come into another closet, which I would call his, but this closet area passes directly into the laundry room. How wonderful is that? Fold your clothes, hang them directly in the closet. This beautiful laundry room has built-in cabinets all around and a utility sink. Again, some of these items are options. You pass right back out into the hallway. Here's the other secondary bedroom. It has its own ensuite bath. So 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a laundry just off of the master. And wait, one more thing Pulte is famous for is their Pulte drop-off zone. So as you come in from the outside, this very convenient drop zone for coats, books, etc. Note the 8-foot doors throughout. So also a 3-car garage, perfect for 2 cars plus that golf cart. And don't forget, as an all-gas community, there is a tankless hot water heater, meaning you've got hot water on demand. I hope you've enjoyed the tour. Please give us a call with any questions about the Renown model or any of the other homes here in Sunbridge.